Hey guys, good morning. So Tesla is absolutely exploding pre-market. It ran from close of 900 bucks to 950-ish, which is a pretty big move, even for Tesla. And this actually came out, or we see it running because news just came out that the Model 3 was the biggest selling vehicle in Europe, right? And that's not electric vehicle. That's actually the biggest selling vehicle overall. And I think that's the first time that has ever happened in history. And that's why you see this big, huge run up. I just read the article, kind of skimmed over it, but it looks like, the source is true. Everything right now on Tesla looks extremely bullish. Unfortunately, I took a swing trade back like around 714 or like 700, back around here somewhere. I took a swing trade. I sold it at 800 bucks. I mean, obviously, nobody knows when news is going to be released, but that's why you hold, Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, whatever, because they are extremely sound companies. And when they have a big news release like this, that's when that's when their stock really moves hard to the upside, and they respond extremely well to positive news, especially big positive news, because this would technically be the very first instance of that piece of news. Keep in mind that if they are just now the best-selling car last month for Europe, this can definitely happen again. And if this news comes out again, right, where they do it again, and possibly a couple months, concurrently with each other, like consecutively, you're gonna see big pops like this. So as of right now, I think Tesla is a phenomenal buy, with the regards of expecting similar news in the future, right? I always think, I don't think this is the peak. I think because Tesla is now, the best-selling vehicle in Europe for the last month, I definitely think it can happen again, and I definitely think it will happen again. Do I know when it's going to happen? No, but it is going to happen again. And I think shares of Tesla right now, even at these highs of 948, I think are an incredible buy. I think Tesla is doing a great job, and this is the very first instance, that Tesla reports that they are the best-selling vehicle of anywhere. They've already won that category in the electric vehicle, but for them to beat out gas cars as the best selling car for a month, it's amazing news, and it shows you where the trend is going and where the fleet of purchasers are moving more towards electrical vehicle focused things. And obviously from the news, they're moving more towards Teslas and the Model 3. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.